Hi guys, welcome back to Abjada. So in the previous one, we figured out how to get an individual post, and in this one, I'm going to get the images on every single post. So there are multiple ways of doing this. We can make another request for the post itself, but WordPress has this query parameter that we can send, which will get the image and the authors and everything along with the post, which is called _embed. So when I do that, it will get the image as well. I think here, yeah, this is the one. It has author, it has featured media, so this is the one we are interested in. And yeah, so it has links for all sizes of featured media, so we'll just use the original one here. All right, so let's see how we can fetch this. So let's see if can change this variable where we have posts. We cannot send it here, so we'll have to do it in our routes. So first we'll figure that out for an individual post, so that would be here. We'll try to add _embed and things should work as usual. Okay, so let's see if we can get the image here. JSON.stringify post._embed. I think it's undefined. What was it we had here? Embedded. Okay. While making the request, it is embed. Now it is embedded when it comes back. Okay, embedded, and then I think WP featured image or something, right? After embedded, we have WP featured media. We can have to use a dot here, so we'll have to use this entire thing inside a bracket, square bracket. Do we get that? Yeah, we got it actually. It's changed, but and we have an array. So let's get the first one here. Again, square bracket and 0. We got it, and we don't we got the object. And then slug, we don't want. Link, is it what we want? Rendered. Let's look at the link, dot link. This, okay, so this is a link to the image. Not really that, we're not interested in that. We'll look at here, it's easier. Media details. Source URL, maybe that is something we want. Dot source URL. All right, JPG, yes. So that was a hard one to figure out. Now we'll do one thing. Instead of getting this from somewhere, we'll just add this to the post itself when we are fetching it. So maybe here we'll do that, like post.image equals all this, right? So when we receive it, we will in post.image we'll receive it. So I don't have to show it, I'll just put it here, post.image, and alt can be post.title. Now you can also get alternate text using the same way, but let me not do that. Nice, we got the image, but images are going all over the place. So in our we should have a CSS file for better control, but in this case I'm gonna use global again. So use a CSS file for this. Okay, max width 100%, so let it not overflow. Yeah, we got it. but in case of list of other, all other posts will have images. I mean, if you have defined them, that is also one thing we may have to handle, like maybe all posts will not have images, right? If post.image, and then we'll end it. What if one of your it shouldn't throw an error then? All right, so we are getting this image for our individual post, but what about list of posts? Now here also we can do the same thing. So we just have to like send underscore embed, and then for posts we get everything. I think here we can do something like posts dot map. So we'll have to target individual posts. So then inside we'll do what we did here, post dot image. So I'm guessing this one line should do it, but I'm not quite sure. Post dot images will do. Yeah, we get posts, and then let's go to the index. We're getting it. So we are going through each loop, and we'll have an image here. It says post dot image. Alt can be again post dot title dot rendered. What dot title dot? Yeah, it's better I copy paste this. Something weird is happening here. Okay, and I figured this also needs to be this, the alt tag. All right, we are getting it in the. So this is what I wanted. Now, yeah. So if you want a what do we say, navigation, you can have that. Right now, I like this how it is without anything extra. So yeah, so this is how we can get posts from WordPress to our Sveltekit app, and you can do anything to it. Like you can add like maybe a dark mode or something, and so this is working. And maybe in the next one I'll try to use something like, instead of this ID, I will use the title of the post, because these IDs are not very good for SEO. So I'll try to do that. Let's see how that goes. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.